I planted out the strawberry bed. I wanted to film that for you guys, but it was crazy windy and you wouldn't have heard a word. But they're all in there. I got, let's see, how many did I get? 16 bare root strawberry plants. I got June bearing and ever bearing, so I have a little bit all the time. And then I covered the ground with straw and this little bit bird netting, and hopefully we will get strawberries. Hi, Derek. And right now I am going to be covering a couple of the beds because we're going to have a hard freeze for 3 nights right now. So today is 60 degrees, kind of gloomy, but we're going to get snow tomorrow. And that is April for you here in Zone 6. So I think a lot of the things I have, like the broccoli and stuff, it is cold hardy, but I just thought I'd do them a little favor and cover them up with the fleece since I have it. All right, well, got that done. Wasn't a problem. Got a couple rows covered there. There isn't too much out here that's delicate or anything, so I'm not worried about that. I just thought give them a little bit extra chance. It's funny how different the weather is. Like, there's definitely been several years where I've been able to plant tomatoes out at this time of year with a little bit of protection, but nope, we're getting snow tomorrow. The thing I'm worried about the most is the fruit trees. I like my cherries in bloom. That's not good. My apple has leaves starting and blooms, so we might lose the fruit crops this year, which would not be good. It would be really sad, but there's not really much I can do about that. Anyway, thanks for watching. My next project is I'm going to be potting up tomatoes, so I will bring you guys along for that because it's definitely not putting tomatoes out for a couple more weeks, and they're huge inside, so I'm going to go ahead and pot them up one more time. And that's fine. We'll just have big tomato plants when we go to put them out. So, all right, thanks for watching.